every 2-3 hours last night because I didn't eat well yesterday. So today I'm gonna make sure I get my water intake, make sure I have my smoothie, and have breakfast. Got some eggs. Yeah, what's up, Big Mom? What you over there screaming about? Yeah. You going in, ain't you? Yeah. You want to talk to your friends? Go ahead.
Y'all get y'all a better wife, man. Yeah.
Yes. Yes, sure. Yes, ma'am, ma'am. You want to see TV? There you go. So, let me get y'all some light. It's always dark. Ooh, that's really bright. So, we have a few plans for today. First, okay. We need to put the kids' bikes together. Oh, by the way, I'm having bacon, eggs, and potatoes. I don't know if I told y'all that already. Heaven's watching the Failure Our Parents. Anyway, I ain't trying to get copyrighted. So, gotta put the kids' bike together. I want to go to the dollar store to get some mason jars. We gotta go back and get the kids' shoes. I have some more gifts to wrap. Oh, and I want to make some more cookies tonight. Because my sweet tooth is at an all-time high, like for real. Yeah. 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 Y'all, Christmas is literally 5 days away. Like, oh my goodness. And I personally don't feel like I'm prepared. What are we gonna have for Christmas morning for breakfast? I wanna know what y'all have for breakfast on Christmas morning. I like to do like brunch, really. I like to make like French toast, sausage, eggs, all that kind of stuff. So around like 9:30, 10 o'clock is when we'll have breakfast. Cause the kids don't wanna wake up at the butt crack of dawn to open up gifts. But I don't have a dinner menu. Hey! I actually need to clean our guest room. That's where all the presents and stuff are. Because it's just a mess. And we're supposed to be having guests after Christmas. Hey. Hey. Mama finished eating now. Mwah. Ooh, you make a tinky. You make a tinky. You tink. Yeah, you tinking. Garage door open. Okay, this is his bike. What the heck? I'm just tearing this box up even more. I'm about to just slide it up. I'm trying to get the bike out the box. Okay, this can't be that hard, right? No, it's pretty much put together already. You just gotta attach the pedals. Yeah, this is easy. I was about to pay $75 to let Walmart put this bike together. Girl! Ain't nobody got time for that. Tires are already pumped up. They're already on here. Like, I was really about to pay $75 for somebody to put this bike together. I'm glad I opened it myself. I'm gonna have to hide this bike at one of my friend's house because Josiah read the title of the box and he was like, oh, that's a bike. And I was like, no, it's not, it's a treadmill. He was like, that makes no sense.
I can ride this thing. God dang, mountain bike. Where they mounting at? I was the wind came.
Ain't no dang wind didn't
Took
even.
it out. Yeah. It was like a curveball. I was like, ooh, look at there, get it again.
You little turd.
It did it again, dog.
This is a nice bike.
Negroes can't ride yet. 26-inch rims. Yeah.
Alright. How do you take this part off?
There's the demonstration before you break some.
It's just a plastic part to keep it together. We should get one of those bike racks for my truck.
I'll be one of those moms. I got a bike crack. I got a bike crack. Yeah, but you don't be reading. I will.
Ah! You turd. We do need a pump though, because this wheel kind of flat. We need to get one of those bike racks for the garage, like to put at the ceiling, so we could just hang their bikes up instead of putting them on the floor. You're such a loser. Yeah. What's wrong, Big Mom?
You just a fussing. You just a fussing. You just a fussing, I know. Yeah. That's like your mom. Yeah. Hey.
She just want to be in the mix so
I
bad.
want to be in the loop. This nosy.
Hi.
Why you so
Hi,
nosy?
Big Mom.
You know what? I forgot. You nosy like your mom. Because your mama just be all up in the blinds and stuff.
Don't be worried about me being all up in the blinds.
Is that Miss over there? That's her boyfriend.
Come on, help me take this piece
Why,
off. What are you doing?
Wait, I can't get my drink. I gotta take a little sip.
Boy,
It's Yak 30.
ain't did no work. Oh, how'd you get it off?
Band straight.
Oh, please.
Alright, I'm done. I'm gonna go watch iCarly.
You about to watch iCarly? I'm weak. You gotta loosen up this brake. I have to put your brother's. Oh no. I have to put your brother's bike together. Yeah. Go, fat muck. Go, fat muck. Go, fat muck. You see that big man? Get your tambourine on. Disconnect the V-brake lever arm. Okay, I got it to work, but now I have to, my camera died, my bad. So I got it to work, but now I have to attach this thing. I think this bike is gonna be way too big for Josiah. This bike is huge. There we go. This is so exciting. We put a whole bike together by ourselves. Okay, Josiah's bike is done. Now I need to go get Daniel's bike. One more bike. Alright, you gonna help me put this one together?
I helped you the last one, didn't I?
Barely.
Aside for the brake part, you let sit there and I'm moving that old bike around. You try.
Nope, this one don't fit. Ah, perfect. Is it straight?
Is that plastic?
Where? This plastic where? Alright, we did it. We did it, John. Alright, mission accomplished. We got the two bikes together. Now we have to discard of all of this trash. I was about to pay $150 to put these bikes together, which took us, I think we started at like 10, it's 11:18, so it took us an hour and 18 minutes to put two bikes together. Do not spend $75 to put no bike together. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's not worth it. Now, if you don't have the time and you don't like putting stuff together, that's a different story. But I like handy dandy projects. So if that's your jam like me, don't spend your $75. Okay, so we're having a bit of a dilemma. None of my neighbors have responded to see if I can store these bikes in their garages. Hold on, mama. So I don't know what we're gonna do. My homegirl is very sleepy, but she looks so cute in her outfit, right? Doesn't she look cute with her little fuzzy little slippers? Yeah. You know what? I can hit old girl up right now. I think this bike is gonna be entirely too big for just like, ooh. She's so sleepy. She just fight and sleep all the time. Okay, we're gonna go to the Zola store and we're gonna go to a few more places. My hair is a mess. I have a hair appointment on Friday. I'm so excited because the way these edges are set up. Do you see this bald spot? I don't even want to talk about it. Don't even want to talk about it. Postpartum shedding is very, very sad. Most very, very sad.
All right, we can go now because Miss Little Thing is sleeping. Little Miss Thing. Oh. Don't get up.
We just got gas. How much was gas? $2.86? Yeah, $2.86. That's not bad. It was $65 to fill up the tank. How many gallons is it? I think it's like 21 gallons, right?
It's like 20-something.
Yeah, 21-gallon tank. But I remember when gas was like $4 or some change. When I first filled this truck up, when we moved back to the States, it was like $110. I almost threw up. I was like, I'm gonna walk everywhere. I'm gonna get a bike. I ain't driving nowhere. I'm trying to edit in the car so I don't have so much to edit like later on tonight because we're supposed to be going to my friend's house. She just moved, so it'll be nice to see her new apartment and stuff. So I want to get this video up before I do that. But we're on our way to the commissary because y'all already know the commissary food be cheaper than Kroger and stuff like that. So I like going to the commissary.
Customer ID accepted. 209 109 364 239
Best flour ever. Thank me later.
855.
Flour was $8.55.
Thank you for shopping at your commissary.
All right, let's go with it. Y'all, it is so cold out here. Do you need a card? You're welcome. Have a good one. Thank you. Oh my God, it's so cold outside. I need like a real winter coat because this one ain't doing it.
That ain't it. That ain't a real coat. You gotta. Look, see why I got a sweater on. You got my real winter coat. Don't use it. Got my real winter coat. Yeah, this be. Can a brother use his own winter jacket?
Boy, hush. No, you can't use your own winter jacket. It's mine.
Obviously, you don't.
It's my winter jacket now.
What's up?
Y'all, the commissary is so packed. Everybody getting their stuff for Christmas. I already know what time it is. They Christmas breakfast, they Christmas dinner. Ain't gonna be no food the day of Christmas. Maybe since we're going in this store, you could buy me a new camera. Pretty please. Pretty please, Lord Farquaad.
Get you a large jacket, please. Stop complaining about
I wear a medium, not a large. You always trying to fat shame me.
I ain't never trying to fat shame you.
This is a cute bag. This is cute. Oh, they have a bigger one too. Okay. This coat is $300.
Nah, I don't think that's the real price. That's the suggested retail price. The next price is different.
It's cute. I just would like for it to be in black. I actually like this coat though, but I would like for it to be in black. This one feels a lot better. It's a lot heavier than the other one. I really like this coat. How much is it?
$450.
It's $450.
I don't know.
Oh.
Think it work. None of them work.
I like this one. I just wish it was black.
I think they're too.
Ew, somebody got snot on it. It's nasty. It's not.
You know what? If Josiah and Daniel didn't have this scooter already, like in regular form, like this, they have this. Yeah, this is the one they have. If they didn't have that scooter, I would definitely buy this. It goes 10 miles an hour. And they have it in blue, which is Daniel's favorite color.
But I didn't come here for any of that. I came here for a bike pump. Look who's upset. Okay, yeah, I took a picture of the car already.
All right, we got Panda Express. This is my food. Voila! I get the same thing every single time. Sometimes I like trying new stuff, but y'all, ain't nobody trying to hear all of that.
Plus, they veggies be on point. I think they use kale. I'm pretty sure this is kale. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's kale. And they be fire. And y'all know what? Broccoli is also really good for my milk too. So, yeah, popping.
What did you get?
Orange chicken, I think sweet fire chicken. Chicken breast, something like that.
If y'all need a job, Starbucks is hiring. Can I have a venti chai tea latte with almond milk? And then can I have a caramel brulee latte? No whipped cream and no sprinkle stuff on top. Oh, what the hell is that? Creme brulee? Yes, thank you very much. You too.
Stinky booty sis.
I swear I didn't fart. Oh my gosh. This coffee gonna hit. I already know. I'm gonna be wired up, okay? How was your chai tea?
It's good.
We're on our way home. We're gonna make pizza tonight. And I got the stuff to make my cookies, so I'm super excited.